When you launch the web store, one of the things you should also think about is the web store domain address. Sana provides a possibility to manage your web store domains directly from Sana admin. When you install the Sana web store, the domain that is specified during installation is automatically available on this page. Which type of the web store domain is used is important. That is because depending on your web store domain, search engines can easily identify which countries you want to reach and languages you use in your business. Your web store content should be relevant for users in your target area and language. If for some reason you need to change your web store domain which was used during Sana installation or add a new one, you can do this directly in Sana admin. If your web store is running on multiple domains, you should select the default one. The default web store domain is used in different system emails, but remember that if you do any changes in your web store domains, you should request a new Sana Commerce license, and the necessary changes should also be done in the Internet Information Services Manager on the web server by setting up the correct site bindings. A single Sana web store can run on one domain as well as on multiple domains, and you can host your web store on any type of domain. If you are doing online business in different countries, you can use the country code top-level domains. This way, one and the same web store can be accessed from a separate country code top-level domain and contain content in the language of that specific country. Each domain can be assigned to the correct language installed with the language pack. For example, if your web store is running on the country code top-level domains for the Netherlands and Germany, these domains should be appropriately assigned to the Dutch and German languages. It is not possible to use one and the same language for several domains. When the user changes the language in the web store, it automatically switches over to the domain of that language. In this case, the language culture name is not used in the URLs. If you are not using multiple country code top-level domains, you can still provide the content of your web store in different languages. When a single domain is used for a web store, for example, theinternationaldomain.com, and you add content in different languages, then you should not select a language for a domain. In this case, when a customer changes the language in the web store, the corresponding language culture name will be shown in the URLs. So, as you can see, a single multilingual Sana web store can be hosted on a general top-level domain with the subdomains or sub-directories, as well as on the country code top-level domains if you explicitly target users in different countries. If you target different markets, the best approach is to use the country code top-level domains, as it shows that you are doing business in that particular country, but it is more expensive than using a single domain. Which domain type to use and how to set up your web store domains depends on your business needs and is completely up to you. But remember that it is one of the key points of your web store search optimization. Sana is flexible enough in setting up web store domains.